Hello everyone, my name is Lee Myrick. I'm here with my two favorite people from Property Solutions, and I got to tell you, they've done an absolutely fantastic job with my roof job and the solar. Everything has turned out beautifully. They've done a great job of cleaning up everything. They were very timely, always kept in touch with me, let me know what was happening with the procedures and everything like that. So if you're really interested in doing a new roof or even a solar, one or the other or both together, they can really help you out with that. And I got to tell you, some of the things that come along with it and the funding and everything can work for anybody. I'm very pleased and would be more than happy to tell anybody about it. So thanks again very much to Matt and his co-workers and everybody involved that this turned out to be a great job.
Perfect.
Awesome. Thank you so much, Lee. My name is Matthew with Property Solutions, and I got a squishy hat.
There you go. You look good in it too.
Yeah,
so I'm glad everything turned out really good, and you look great in your hat. And,
appreciate it.
Thank you very much for pretty much talking me into it, because really when we first started it was just a roof job.
Yeah.
So the whole solar thing was kind of not really in the back of my mind at that point, but I'm kind of glad I've gone with it, and the savings I'll have through the Florida Power and Light is what's really, when I tell anybody about it, that's what really is interesting for them. They really like to know about that.
Makes sense.
Yeah, absolutely. I like that, the fact that I won't get a big bill anymore, if any at all, and then Florida Power and Light will probably be paying me some money, so that's nice too.
Yeah.
So I couldn't be any happier. You guys did a great job, and I really thank you very much.
Awesome.
Okay.
I appreciate it,
All right.
and that's what it's all about.
That's
man.
it.
Together, we're better. You know,
absolutely. It turned out
you gave us
great.
some business, you gave me some business, and if you know anyone that's interested,
Trust
let
me,
us know. And if you know
will.
anyone that's interested in hats, we'll definitely put the link in the bio of this video.
I really appreciate that. That always works.
What's the website?
It's called onestopHats.com.
ONE?
One.
Or the number one?
Right, just one. No, one. onestopHats.com. All together.
Okay.
Yeah, and it'll come up, and then we can, help them out with anything they might see, or if they're interested in like the hats you have, we can get them something like that too.
Yeah, I'm not feeling this sun at all.
Oh no, and you get a little bit of air through there, so it's kind of nice. You get a nice breeze, and you look good in it too. So, you said you're married, so I guess your wife better start watching. When you wear that hat,
Now she knows if I'm going on this hat,
that's it.
looking for trouble. No, I'm playing. I love it. All right, you want to pop this bottle of champagne?
You do the popping, because
this is the one excuse that we have the bullshit.
That's okay.
You can
I think he should hold it, and he should.
Rain, you can spray it.
Yeah.
You can spray it on me.
No, I wouldn't do that.
No, it's for the vlog, bro. I gotta be funny. This is.
Oh, okay.
So you get the exception.
You should just be like, "Thank you, Property Solutions," or something.
Spray, right?
Yeah.
No, I've never done this one.
Yeah, just shake it and pop it.
You just put your finger on a
It's
hose.
gonna pop it up.
Yeah, but I'm saying once you pop it out, you put your finger on
like halfway on, like a hose.
Oh, like that. Hey, man, this is good stuff. Thank you, Property, if I don't break my own neck. I did not expect that. I was just pushing on it to see if it was going to go, and man, it went. Well, don't go back to the office. You go home tonight, your wife's going to be looking at you. Okay, what have you been doing all day long?
You got this on video.
Yeah, that's right. You better change your shirt, son.
I got a shirt.
That's it. New hat and it's smelling like that. You've been out partying.
Thank God I have this on video, because you're right. You're right. You're right. All right, man. Well, thank you again.
Well, thanks again for everything. I really appreciate that. Thanks for coming by. And like I say, I couldn't be happier.
All right.
So,
You got my info.
Absolutely. I've got your number. And
remember, we got a great referral program. Anyone minimum $500 to $1,000 send your way for anyone you guys send our way.
Okay, that sounds good.
All right.
Absolutely.
All right.
Thanks so much. Take care.
All right,
off the records.
Yeah.
I just wanted to ask you.